Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're talking about the black Nitrile gloves, heavy duty 6mm Nitrile original Nitrile medical cleaning disposable black gloves cooking glove. Let me tell you, these gloves are an absolute game changer. Whether you're in the medical field, working on tough cleaning jobs, or even just cooking up a storm in the kitchen, these gloves are designed to meet all your needs. With a thickness of 6mm, these gloves are super durable and can stand up to the toughest of tasks. One of the best things about these gloves is their versatility. They are perfect for medical professionals who need reliable and durable hand protection. Plus, they are highly resistant to punctures and tears, making them ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. And when it comes to cooking, these gloves provide excellent grip and dexterity, so you can handle even the most delicate of ingredients with ease. Not to mention, the sleek black color adds a touch of style to your work attire, because who said protective gear can't be fashionable, right? So, if you're in need of high-quality, heavy-duty gloves that can handle it all, then look no further. Click the link in the description to get your hands on these black Nitrile gloves, heavy-duty 6mm Nitrile original Nitrile medical cleaning disposable black gloves cooking glove today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations coming your way. Happy shopping!